Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. Aras. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. Friends, today we are going to talk about Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and two precious commodities, gold and silver. Before we start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. So let's go and see what is the economic calendar saying for the next week. So the most important details we have is in the next week we have on Tuesday, September 13th, we have these three important data. The core inflation rate for the August month. So this will be very important details on 13th of September, and that will change the market outlook. So, with this, let's consider this before taking any position, and let's go and start our analysis on those indexes. So, now for the Nasdaq, this is a day chart. Now, you can see here from Tuesday, there was a slight fall in the market, and from Wednesday, market picked it up. Okay, so right now, currently we are trading at 12,592 in the futures, Nasdaq futures. Now, let's convert this chart into 4 hourly, and I want to give you those levels. So now I am looking at the level of 12,650. If we cross 12,650 and sustain above it, then we will go towards the first target of 12,800, second target of 13,000. Okay, these are the two targets, short-term targets, which I am looking for, and we need to be, this will be a short-term bullishness, and we need to be uh, you know the complete bullishness into the market will be coming once we start studying about 13,700. If you see this daily chart, this level 13,700, where it made the top, right, few last month, and after that it bottomed, and where I already informed that market has created the top, and from here it can give a correction. So this is the point. Now, with the help of day chart, okay, and weekly closing, you will see that market is in the rise mode. Okay, so market might see, the market might, this trend line will be useful for us to understand that whether market is going to start its bull run or not, or we are still in the bear market and we are having mini bull rallies. Okay, so this was about the day chart, and if we see the weekly chart, the weekly chart says after 3 weeks, consecutive weeks of downfall, okay, after 3 consecutive weeks of downfall, it created a bullish pattern, and there is possibility that we can go towards 12,800 and 13,000 levels. Above 13,000 levels, then it opens the door for 13,700. But we will watch till 13,000. Now, if we say that what about in the bearish side? If the CPI data don't come as expect in the market, and it gives a fall, then how, from where it will go, from where it will go from here? So first area of support is at 12,400, meaning on Monday, or in this week, we are not able to cross 12,650. Okay, we are not able to cross this 12,650 and we start going down, then first support is coming around 12,400. If we don't sustain above that and start going down again, then 12,250 and the last target will be 12,000. These are the three levels which I see for the downside. But looking at this weekly chart right now, market looks positive. Market wants to go up more from here. And if the CPI data comes good, then it will add more fuel into the market to go upside. So this was about Nasdaq. Now we will talk about Dow Jones. Dow Jones, you can see here in the weekly chart. Okay, we will talk about weekly chart first. In the weekly chart, it created the evening star pattern, and after that, it gave a next week it gave a red candle, and this week it gave a green candle. Okay, so for the Dow Jones, it is very clear that 34,200 is the level. Okay, when Dow Jones will cross that level, okay, we will come out of the bear market. And right now, this is upside into the bear market which we are seeing. So if we convert it into the day chart, what day chart says us that Dow Jones took supports three times. Okay, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third time. Okay, so Dow Jones has formed a very strong base. Okay, near 30,000 level, 31,000. Near this area, Dow Jones has created a very good support. Okay, now Dow Jones, the level we need to watch is 32,200. This level, 32,200. If we stay above 32,200, then the first target we are going to see is 32,500. Second target is 32,800, and third target is 33,150. These are the three short-term targets which I am seeing into the Dow Jones. One more reason is that here you can see it's a bullish engulfing pattern it has created on the Tuesday after this big downfall. So this is the important level, 32,200. Once we start trading and sustaining above that, then we can see this kind of upside. Now, as we mentioned that if CPI comes, not as expected, then once we start trading below 32,200, currently we are trading at 32,265. If we start trading and sustaining below 32,200 for more than 2 hours, then we can go back toward 31,700 and 31,200. These are the two levels which I think Dow Jones can show if market gives a negative data. Now we will talk about S&P 500. For the S&P 500, last week I clearly mentioned, if you remember, this chart is same as last week. This is the same trend line. It took the support three times here, once, through, two, and third, and from here it started going up. So now for the S&P 500, let me change this. 4100 is the level we need to watch. Currently we are trading at 4085. If we start trading and sustaining above 4100, then the next target is 4200 and 4300. If we start trading and sustaining above 4300, then we will come out of the bear market. So this is the simple candlestick pattern analysis which is saying that 4300 is the ultimate level which we need to watch for to come out of the bear market. Okay, so this is about the upside. Now if we talk about the downside, we don't sustain above, if we don't sustain above 4100 and starts going back, then the first target is coming around 3950, which is 150 points down from here. Second target is coming around 3850. These are the two levels which I think we should watch for if market starts going down. So this was about all three indexes. Now we will talk about Silver. Silver, my friends, I mentioned in my last week analysis video that silver is at very good point to accumulate, and you know after the analysis, okay, here it created a bullish engulfing pattern after a good downfall, okay, and then silver started going up and it reached all of our targets. The current red lines were the resistance lines before for us, means they were target for us, so it hit all three targets. We recommended around 17.6070 levels. From there it went around 18.70 levels. Okay, so almost $1 it went up, which is coming around 7 to 8% into the silver. So now we will, one moment. Okay, okay. So RSI was not showing there, so I have added. Now silver clear cut, we see that 18.75. Okay, this 18.75 is acting as a you can say the level which we need to watch for. If we stay and sustain above 18.75, then we are going to cross $19 soon. $19, 19.30 and 19.75. These are the three levels which I am looking for silver in the upside. And now for the downside, if we are not sustaining above 18.75, then we are going to watch 18.40, $18, and the ultimate level is 17.40. So my friends, this is very important. Once silver starts trading and sustaining below 17.40, we will there will be a massive sell off in silver, which we will going to see if it trade and sustain below 17.40. So we have strong support for at 17.40. If we see the weekly chart here for the silver, weekly chart looks strong, okay, and by looking at this weekly chart, I think there are possibilities that silver might perform in next week. Now we are going to talk about gold. Gold, you can see my friends here, this is the dotted line which I have created. You can see very clearly that gold was trading in this channel, and then it broke out that channel, it went up again, it came into this channel here, and now it is trading here. So I think gold might again give a one upside till $1,800. So let's see exact levels for the gold. We will convert it into the day chart. Gold is consolidating from last 6 to 7 days, okay, but every day the consolidation is going in upside, you can see here. So I think gold has formed a strong base around 1700. So for the gold, 1700 to 1675 is a very strong base, my friends. 1675 to 1700, these 25 points is a very strong base, okay. Gold can go towards 1750 for the upside, 1780 and 1810. These are the three levels which I think gold can show in coming sessions. Now, if where is the support? Support is at $1,700. Once gold starts trading below $1,700, we should not be in the long position. Gold might go back towards 1675, and there exactly we need to watch what is going to happen. If gold trades and sustain below 1675, then you will see so many downside targets in the gold. We will talk about that when gold starts trading below 1675. So friends, this was all about today. Always remember, when we do our analysis, first we need to do analysis on the index. We need to understand where index wants to go, what market is going to do for the next week. By looking at these charts today, we got a fair conclusion that market wants to go up from here, so that when market opens, we should not go against the trend. Now there is one important event on 13th September. Based on that, if market changes its dynamic or direction, then we should play for that opposite side. Right now we are on the bullish side. If result comes bad, I mean the event give a bad uh, numbers, then we should start, looking in the market for the downside. So this is all about today's video, my friends. I hope you learned something out of this video, and share this video with your friends, your family members. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment on this video. This is all about today. Thank you, my friends. Bye.